In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off fast charging. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on Battery section. Now scroll again, this time to choose Charging Settings. And when you're ready, use this switcher next to fast charging to turn it on or switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!